DeepMind just announced a new version of its AI model, Gemini, that can control a range of robots. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Google released a video of the Gemini Robotics 2 platform in action, and the results are fairly impressive. It shows robots putting a tape into a boombox, screwing in a light bulb, and even tying up a garbage bag. Gemini Robotics system could already power bots that performed actions like closing storage box and folding origami, but that was done via robotic arms and hands. This update brings whole body control in the mix. Google's doing this by stuffing the robots with several different AI models, which result in a multimodal understanding of their surroundings. These robots aren't general-purpose devices that can do just anything, but the model was specifically trained to perform every task in the video using a mix of human teleoperation, video examples, and simulations. Google DeepMind says it's another milestone in our path towards physical AGI, which means we can get a robot to do anything that a human can. But there is a catch. These are robots filled with AI, and sometimes AI gets stuff wrong. That's frustrating when looking for an answer, but deadly when dealing with a heavy human-sized robot. And that's why Google says it's taking a multi-layered approach to ensure future robots are safe. Each model layer has guardrails, and it's also introduced a new benchmark called a CMOF agentic for detecting whether a command will lead to a harmful outcome. Finally, this is all early stages. Google isn't about to roll out consumer-facing robots anytime soon. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.